Hey there, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and I'm getting this late video out to you for Mother's Day. Hopefully it will give you some last-minute Mother's Day cookie inspiration. I am using the stencil holder from the Sweetest Tiers. I'll leave a link in the description. And I made a silkscreen stencil using some clip art I found on Canva. And I'm just going to lay it into my stencil holder here and position my cookie. And then I'm going to take a 15-second royal icing, which is what I found works best with the silkscreen stencil, and kind of just put some icing all over the top of this cookie where the stencil is. And then I will scrape it off using my thingamajiggy from the Cookie Countess. And I probably put more icing than I need, but again, I'm still getting used to stenciling, and it's been working pretty well for me so far with the silkscreen stencils. I'm having much better luck than I was having with the plastic stencils and royal icing. So anyway, I'm just going to scrape this all off, and then we will see how it turns out. And I should have also said that you kind of need to push your icing down through the stencil, so that's why I'm using the stiff thingamajiggy rather than something like a silicone spatula that would be flexible. So I'm going to very slowly lift off the stencil holder frame and see how it came out. If it doesn't come out well, I can lay the frame back down and continue to put more icing on, but this worked out well. So now I'm just going to add a little daisy here at the bottom using some pink royal icing in a 15-second consistency and my scribe to make the petals long. And I'm just going to continue to make dots for the petals and then use my scribe to drag them towards the center. Some of them will be longer and some of them will be shorter because I don't want my daisy to be completely uniform. And I don't have quite enough icing on that petal, so I'm going to add a little bit more of a dot and then continue on. So because my icing is only a 15-second consistency, a couple of the petals that were close together did run together, but they've set up a little bit while I pipe the other petals. So I'm just going to use my paintbrush to separate them a little bit, and then I have some stiff royal icing and I'm just going to make some dots in the center. I waited to make these dots until after the daisy had set up a bit. And here's my finished Mother's Day cookie. I think it came out so sweet. I'll soon have a video on how to make the stencil and the rest of the flowers in the set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for new cookie tutorials every week. I'll see you next time, and happy Mother's Day.